Look at what Scotty did. It's all clean and pretty.
And taken care of. That's all cleared out.
Nice.
That was bad. That was nasty dirty.
Yeah, that was not
so
good.
that's all done and taken care of. We've got
I'm gonna make the hard
fuel
line.
pump line plugged with one of our spares.
Yeah, which is the line we have here.
So you have your line for here, so we'll get that made and get that in. That'll take care of this, get him back together.
Yep. I'll give him a quote on the carb.
Which you can tell by looking at it. That's just...
Ugh.
Yeah, it's nasty. And it's been leaking for a while.
So I can get that done and figured out. I'm going to make that hard line. So that's the thing we're going to see next.
Yep. And then we've already got the rubber pieces for the... between the body and the back bumper on order.
Mm-hmm.
So we're good.
Order.
I don't remember what they said No, they had to update us as to delivery.
Yeah, we don't know when an ETA is yet, but it's ordered.
But the dent in the rear bumper is taken care of.
Oh, let's go look at that. Yeah. Let's go take a look at that. Let's go take a look.
Bobby?
Yeah.
I wanted to thank you for helping Alex with the T-Bird.
Oh, yeah, no worries.
I really appreciated that.
Yeah, it was quick and easy.
Always.
Yeah, quick and easy. We love those cars.
It's level now like it's supposed to be. Well,
it's level-ish.
Once we get the rubber in, that'll smooth it all out.
That's way better.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll place the rubbers on both sides and it'll be done.
Yep. So
Nice.
I hope they give us an ETA soon on those, because I love this truck. I really do.
I know.
I'll tell you, I want first right of refusal on this thing.
We love it.
Oh yeah.
All right.
But everybody's updated.
I think Scotty's gonna go night-night.
Yeah, Scotty's driving home. I gotta go. I can't do this today.
Yeah, Scotty's not feeling
Food
too
poisoning, I don't think is good for anybody.
You and I both got it.
Yeah.
It sucks, but
And we're not gonna name the company, even though I want to, really, really bad, McDonald's.
Crap Ronald's.
Yeah.
Crap Ronald's.
Yeah. But on that note, ladies and gents, boys and girls.
Children of all ages.
Yes.
Look at that. That's cool.
It is. It's so nice.
Yeah. All right. So I'll go make that line. Thank you, Scotty.